Hi, it's your two favorite hairdressers. I'm Denise.
And I'm Jennifer, and we're from Martin Gray Hair Solutions. So, what kind of exciting weekend did we have?
We had the most amazing weekend ever. I we're still high off of it. It was just
we're excited still, overtired a little bit, but we went to the Philadelphia Convention Center for the premier Philadelphia Hair Show. How amazing was it?
It was amazing. I can't even say.
Everything.
We met so many amazing people. So many people that are passionate about the beauty industry.
The vendors, the hair companies. We met awesome student stylists who are just ready to bust out and change the world. We met middle of the road career people, still excited, still moving forward. And we met a lot of veteran hairdressers who, it was great to see because as their clientele is changing, they're out there. They want to learn. They want to see what's new.
Looking for clients, trying to solve client problems in the salon.
Wonderful.
So there was so much networking and exchange of information. Innovators. We met so many innovators.
Awesome ones.
And
they came so far. We met people from across the country.
Virginia, Alabama,
New
Florida,
Orleans, California. We're just like, woo!
And here we are.
We're in our little bubble because we're Pennsylvania based and it was in Philly. So we were they're like, where are you from? We're like, 2 hours away from here. So, but not only that, we met so many people who were from across the country. How about all our local people?
Oh my goodness.
We were thrilled. We're yeah, we know where that is.
That was crazy. It's a small world. But it was so much fun.
Wonderful.
I loved being there. I loved talking to people
and Philadelphia is beautiful.
We were all over that city.
Yeah, GPS was not caring for us too much, so we were taking quite the Philadelphia tour. Yes. Yeah, absolutely. But it was just so interesting to be there at this show because it's a newer show. It's their second year, our first year. We will be there next year.
Oh my God. I want to follow them around. I love them.
Oh my gosh,
so much.
I know.
They're all over.
They're in Florida.
I know.
I would love a trip
Ohio.
to Florida. There's somewhere else too.
I think 4 different locations.
I think so too.
I would love to follow them around.
But it was amazing. One thing that we did find that was common among all the different levels of people's careers, everybody has such a thirst for knowledge. And I feel bad because we're just, we're in the process of getting our certification classes together. And everybody was like, do you have certification? And I'm like, we are so close to launch. We're we are so close to launch. Now we did for our local salons and stuff, they're within travel time for us at the moment. So we will go out there and we will give them an in-salon class. So
help educate them, certify them so they know what they're doing.
And not only that, it's great that they want to make sure that they're going to do their application correctly. And they were concerned about it. They're we want to do this. They want to bring it into their salons. But the nice part is they want to do it correctly.
Oh, yeah, maintain the integrity of the hair. That was
the hair, the scalp.
Everything.
It's nice. Even if you're not a stylist, when you want to get your hair extensions installed, these are the people to look for.
Absolutely. The
passionate.
I was just going to say, passion. You want to find somebody that loves their job. If you love your job, you're going to do an amazing job. You're going to be proud of your work. You're going to want to shine.
And they want to do the best.
They do.
And these are the people you want.
And you know what was so cool? We're proud of Martin Gray hair halos and clip-ins and just our hair products in general.
How well were we received?
Oh my gosh, it was so nice to hear. Wow, this is good quality hair, and I can't believe how thick it was. Just
amazing. Because for us, yes, we were there, but we weren't the only game in that
town.
Yeah, in that little conventions, not little convention,
yeah,
it was
totally
huge.
Not little.
Yeah, but there was these really big, great, big companies, and you should see how banging.
The shows were amazing. I didn't get to watch too many of them, but I could hear stuff and I would kind of peek out and stuff.
Yeah.
The models were beautiful.
Yeah, it was just nice to see that they would come from the bigger companies, touch and try it on. But then when they came to us, they just left and they're doing the comparison. They're like, this is really nice. And they're trying it on. They're like, the colors were banging. I mean,
oh my goodness.
magic.
The halos were, how nice was that? It was like, wow, here, try this one on. And they were like, wow.
Yeah,
so seamless.
I know. And it was just so nice because we know it's good. The customers who have already bought from us was good. But it was just nice. I mean, there was hundreds and hundreds of people and they're like, this feels really nice. We're like, oh, do you like it? And they're like, oh my God, this is so great. I mean,
yeah, it was so flattering.
It was.
It was just nice because they're in our industry.
Yeah,
they're looking for it's different between a client and a professional hairdresser. So it was,
they know the different feels and stuff.
Yeah,
so that was
nice.
very exciting. It was a little validation.
Well, so we don't have we didn't do our new products, the Insta hair.
Yeah,
we didn't do the video.
We're gonna do the video.
We need to do it. How crazy was it when I showed hairdressers, their eyes were
like,
popped.
we should have taken pictures of everybody. We're like, here, you want to see this? And they're like, yeah, whatever, we'll see. And then they're like,
it was so fun.
You needed pictures and videos.
I know, but we were busy, so it was hard to take stuff.
We tried taking pictures, but we
did the best we could, but it was
we have some
tough.
pictures up here and there. Ooh, and you know what else? In our next video, we had a lottery going on. So people who came to our booth, they filled out their name and their email address for a chance to win a Main Glory Halo. So we're going to do a video where we pull it out and we'll announce our winner. We'll put the winner's name on all social media, not your email, just your name, and we'll contact you by email to let you know you won. It was just amazing.
It was.
The feedback was great. But we are exhausted and we are back in the salon today.
Ready to work. I have appointments today.
Yeah, we're a little bit busy today, but we just wanted to stop by and say, you know what, Premier Philly, awesome.
You were amazing.
Amazing. What a great show. Everybody we met, wonderful to meet you.
I hope we still stay in contact.
Yes.
I know I liked a couple of your Facebook pages and maybe... I hope it's we want friendships.
Yes.
Amazing friendships.
Absolutely.
With what I'm saying, with innovators that had ideas that I'm just like, wow, these are the people you want to be surrounded with. People that are searching and hungry for knowledge and just
we're all about that.
Thinking because it just felt like we're amongst our own people. It was nice.
Move forward. Go.
Problem solvers.
Absolutely.
So it was just amazing. I don't know. I just loved it.
Absolutely. All right. So please like and subscribe to us so we could so you can keep updated with our new products coming out. We can't really tell you everything that's coming out, but we will do our next video. I promise we'll be on Insta Hair. We're not joking.
Yeah.
It'll be on Insta Hair. Please like and subscribe and have a great day. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Denise.
From Martin Gray Hair Solutions. Thanks.